The Parana, the second longest river in South America and the Amazon, flows approximately 4,900 km and forms part of the borders between Brazil and Paraguay and Argentina. Its upper reaches feature many waterfalls. It is joined by the IGUAZO River, where it enters Argentina in the northeast. This area is well known throughout the world for its spectacular IGUAZO Falls. IGUAZO Falls are waterfalls of the IGUAZO River on the border of Argentina and Brazil. The falls divide the river into upper and lower IGUAZO. Most of the falls on the Argentinian side. Below its confluence with the San Antonio River, the IGUAZO River forms the boundary between Argentina and Brazil. No doubt, the IGUAZO Falls are the largest falls in the world in terms of volume, and it is the most spectacular waterfall as well.
To have more such discussion and analysis, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. And if you like the video, please do not forget to hit the like button so that we get inspired to give more such discussions in the coming future.